Gemini Pro 1 year. In this particular video, I'm going to walk you through the entire subscription process for Gemini Pro, specifically for the 1 year plan. As you can clearly see right here on my screen, I'm about to add my payment method. I've already generated the necessary link for this subscription. Here, I'll be adding all my address details, then my card details, and finally, we'll complete this subscription. In the address, I'm adding a random address for the United States, for the USA, okay? Here, I filled in all the remaining details and then clicked on the add card button. So as you can see, I've successfully added the card. All the necessary information is there. Pause. Now I'm going to proceed and click on the subscribe button. Okay, pause. So hopefully this will complete the subscription process. Okay. If you are interested in getting Gemini Pro for 1 year, Gemini Pro for 4 months, ChatGPT Plus for 1 year, ChatGPT Plus for 1 month, or even ChatGPT Go for 1 year, then you can easily contact me directly on WhatsApp and also on Telegram. Just take a look right here. The entire subscription process has been successfully completed, and we have already received the official confirmation email in our inbox as well. Alright, I'm about to start the giveaway for an amazing prize, a 4-month subscription to Gemini Pro and a 1-month subscription to ChatGPT Plus. If you're interested in participating in this giveaway, then you absolutely must join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is right there in the comments section. You'll easily find it in the comments of this very video. Check this out, the subscription has been successfully completed and all of Gemini Pro's advanced features are now fully unlocked. So if you're interested in getting a 4-month Gemini Pro account, I will be giving away one account tomorrow, and I'll also be giving away a ChatGPT Plus account on my Telegram channel. So if you need it, my WhatsApp channel link is in the comments. Please do join it and make sure to join the Telegram channel. Alright, look, the Google One subscription has now been successfully applied to this very account of ours. You can clearly see here that the charges for these are $19.99, which is effectively $20 per month, and we have successfully activated it for a full 12-month period completely free of charge. Now I am going to proceed with the subscription for Gemini Pro for 4 months. You can observe this on your screen. I have already added my payment method to this account previously, so I will directly subscribe to this. Okay, I am about to directly subscribe to this now. Okay, after refreshing the page, our subscription will be completed, and now I simply have to click on the subscribe button and the subscription will be completed. For 4 months, Gemini Pro, that's 4 months. In local currency, this amounts to approximately 5,600 Pakistani rupees, which we have managed to acquire this absolutely for free. As you can see, the subscriptions for Gemini Pro 1 year and Gemini Pro 4 months are now complete. If you are looking for a subscription for Gemini Pro, whether it's for 1 year, 4 months, 13 months, or even 1.5 years, accounts are available, but please note they are paid. You can contact me on my WhatsApp or Telegram. So take a look. You can see this Pro account activation for Gemini Pro for 4 months has been completed. Besides this, if you need CapCut, Supergroup, View Ultra, and all those other accounts, then you can contact me for them. Now you see this ChatGPT Go was activated on this very account. So I need to activate this now. I have just completed the ChatGPT Go 3-month activation. Alright, so you can see right here, I've gone ahead and activated ChatGPT Plus for 1 whole month on this. Now, if you're interested in getting the method for ChatGPT Plus for 1 month, you can definitely contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. However, just to be clear, the method is paid, okay? I will teach you a complete A to Z method with which you can create a completely free ChatGPT Plus 1 month account. If you need a ChatGPT 1 year accounts,